Get ready to reach new heights with Goal Horizon. Hit the subscribe button now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing the exercises that can help increase your stamina. Whether you're an athlete, or just looking to boost your energy levels, having a high level of stamina is essential. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on the best exercises to improve your endurance. To understand clearly, please turn on subtitles. Tip 1. Aerobic exercise. The first and most important tip for increasing your stamina is to incorporate aerobic exercise into your routine. Running, cycling, swimming, or any other form of cardio will help you increase your heart rate and improve your endurance. Make sure to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts to avoid injury. Tip 2. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Another great way to boost your stamina is to include high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your routine. HIIT involves alternating between high-intensity exercises and periods of rest, allowing you to get a full-body workout in a short amount of time. Tip 3. Resistance training. Resistance training is also an important part of increasing your stamina. By building muscle, you'll be able to work out for longer periods of time and push yourself harder. Try incorporating weightlifting or resistance bands into your routine to target different muscle groups and improve your overall fitness. Tip 4. Yoga. Finally, don't underestimate the power of yoga. Not only does it improve flexibility and balance, but it can also help boost your stamina by strengthening your muscles and increasing your endurance. Try incorporating yoga into your routine a few times a week to see an improvement in your stamina. That's it for today's video. Remember, the key to improving your endurance is to incorporate a variety of different exercises into your routine, including aerobic exercise, HIIT, resistance training, and yoga. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to boosting your stamina and reaching your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.